Hey guys, these are some memes I made specifically for kids. I think they'll really get it. First up, adults and kids with different reactions to the same thing. If this is what adults think they are, then this is what they really are. Don't lie, that happened at least once in your household. This is your younger sister, 2 days into watching anime. My older brother had this experience. This here is your younger brother when he had to go for 5 seconds without Fortnite. This is what adults think we do, and that's what we'd really do. I mean, how many horror movies were made off this moronic trope? This is me when I learned I couldn't fly. Well, I already jumped off the shed, so I was too late.
Ow!
Bye. Thanks for watching.